Look at here. Aldehydes which don't have the alpha hydrogens, in the presence of NaOH, they undergo self-oxidation and reduction to give alcohols and carboxylic salts. What it is give? Alcohols and carboxylic salt. Clear? So once again, look at here. The aldehydes which don't have the alpha hydrogens undergo self-oxidation and reduction in the presence of NaOH to give alcohols and carboxylic salt. So look at here, I will write the reaction. Right. So see here, now I am taking the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is the example for the no alpha hydrogen of aldehyde. Undergo self-oxidation and reduction. So I am taking 2 moles of formaldehyde, and in the presence of NaOH, so what it is we getting in the product, we will write after the mechanism. Right, see here. Right. So from the NaOH, there is to release OH minus, and this electron shifting to the O due to oxygen is more electronegative than the carbon. Right, hydroxide bonding with the carbon, HCO minus OH. Now here when electrons are coming to the carbon side, now hydrogen remove as in hydride ion. Right, I will take the 1 mole of the formaldehyde here. Now these are O minus, so this carbon getting positive charge. But here is the hydrogen, always it is to like it is removed like in the positively, but here in that reaction there is negatively it is removed there. So that's why I'm writing this one, hydride ion. What is that? Hydride ion. Now this is about a hydride ion. When it is loose of this formaldehyde hydride ion, that is like the oxidation. What is that here? Oxidation. Right. The mole of hydride ion to combine the another mole of the formaldehyde. Right. See here, I will write the this one C HCOOH. Right. HCOOH. Over. Remaining what will be getting? Hydride ion combine the carbon. H this hydrogen, 3 hydrogens. So I will write the CH3O minus. Power. That is CH3. CH3. This is a CH3O minus. Right? Now formic acid, that is to release the, this is acid now to release the H plus ion. So H plus ion combine the CH3O minus, that is converted to the alcohol. Alcohol. Right, remaining what is there here? HCO minus. H is coming to the CH3O minus. From here is the NaOH, Na plus is there. So here is the Na plus. So finally we getting here CH3OH and HCOO-Na. So this is a carboxylic salt. So methanol and sodium carboxylate. So what is the Cannizzaro reaction? So Cannizzaro reaction, the aldehydes which don't have the alpha hydrogens or which no alpha hydrogens, they undergo self-oxidation and reduction in the presence of NaOH to give alcohols and carboxylate salt. So this is the reaction. So formaldehyde, and this is the formaldehyde. What is that? Formaldehyde. That example of no alpha hydrogens of the aldehyde, that is a formaldehyde.